So we put the big plug into here. Your big plug goes into here. This should line up all good. You normally just got to pop your can lever back out again, so you can kind of use it to lever the plug back in, like so. That's your big plug in. The FM AM goes into here. That's the FARC adapter for the FM AM, into there, and then into the black one on this side of your actual car side. Just a quick note here, the FM actual AM antenna should go into that white one there. So black plug into the white cream colour one. Just a quick note there, because the other one was wrong. Your black one, like I covered before, plugs into here. Then we had our small black one here that was into your buttons down the bottom, that will plug into here. Like so, you'll get a nice clicking sound. These two cables here that will go down to the bottom, sorry, let me come back, that come from your two bottom USBs. They just go up into the two white plugs up here they fit into. Your reverse camera white plug here comes out of here and it goes to this CVBS in. The CAN bus plugs into here, and the other end plugs into that white plug that goes down and plugs into here. Wi-Fi antennas on. The Wi-Fi, Bluetooth one on now. It's a small little rubber ducky. Just need to do that, tighten it up nice and tight. The other little plug here, you've got your plug with two brown actual wires that plugs in here. That one there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs in here. You got your big black plug in, FM, AM, and your reverse. Now with all that in, what we want to go and do now is make sure something happens. Now the good news on this car is you actually have enough room to actually run it. So start the car up, and obviously you want to check on here, we get power. So we've got power, that's cool, the door's shown as open. Yep. If you go into the actual radio app and just scan, make sure you're picking up the radio stations. Check your steering wheel controls, so that's me doing the steering wheel controls here. You can see I got a volume. Oh, I've been pushing too many buttons. There was a mode button I was pushing, whoops. That's okay. They're on the back on these Jeeps, so you got your obviously on that side and the other side. So that's working, radio's working. So steering wheel controls, radio reception, always good to check AM, because if your AM's not working, the problem will be that we don't have power to the antenna amp. So I'm pretty sure we should be getting 720 around here for sure. So we've got no power on our antenna amp. I'll show you how to fix that, that's all good. Check your AC works. Oh, that's nice, it's hot here today. That's all working fine. You can see all your settings come up in here. That is happy days. You've got your other buttons down the bottom here. So your AC works all good. You've got your actual eco buttons on and off. Your park on and off buttons. Turn the car actual auto start on and off, so all those are happy. Now just reverse camera. All good, reverse camera are working. So that's all the tests you want to do. Actually now we can actually go through and put the rest of the wires in.